Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can crop or rotate the video in the VN editor. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the VN. So I'm going to click on the VN here, as you can see. Now simply you have to choose that if you want to open the recent projects, then you have to click on the recent projects. If you want to create a new project, then you have to click on this plus icon. And after that, we have to click on the new project again. And then we have to choose these both settings. For example, I'm going to click on this do not ask me again. And now we have to click on the save. And after that, as you can see, we have to choose the video here. For example, I'm going to the video section, and which video you want to use in the project. For example, I want to use this one here, and then we have to click on the next again here. And after that, as you can see, we are redirected here. Now simply if you want to crop the video, you have to click on the crop, and now as you can see, you have to choose it. For example, these pre-designed templates are also provided here. In the YouTube size, it will be like this. Instagram side will be like this, 3.4. These all sizes are provided here. You have to choose accordingly. For example, I want this one, so I'm going to click on this here. And as you can see, if you want to rotate it, you have to click on the rotate option, and as you can see, the video is rotated. So in this way you can rotate the video, and this way you can crop the video on the VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.